There I was with the old man, stranded again, sold off that rent. Young world crashing around me, no possibility of get what I be. You looked at me and smiled and said, no, 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 child. You see the dragon butterfly up in the air, they like to fly. Dragon butterfly, below she had to try. She walked back down to the walls of ground, laughing. She don't know why. She don't know why. Dragon butterfly. Well, I stumbled upon your sacred land, safe in the trees, you had tears on your face, wrestling with your desire. Roads of strangers carrying your fire, the message in my mind. Only what that could say. You see the dog and butterfly up in the air, they like to fly. Dog and butterfly, below she had to try. She broke right down to the walls of mine, left to the sky, up to the sky. Dog and butterfly. We're getting older, the world's getting colder. For the love of me, I don't know the reason why. Maybe it's living, making the skin naturally in, taking back one more time. We're bound together, let's just back on the sky. Another night in a strange town, moonlight holding me while we got voice of confusion and sadness. Oh, begging me to go back where I'm free. It feels like I'm here, but the old man's words are true. You see the dog and butterfly in the air, they like to fly. Dog and butterfly, below she had to try. Little tear in her eye, yeah, sad to cry. She had to try. Dog and butterfly, yeah, up in the air they like to fly. Dog and butterfly, below she had to try. The birds got down to the walls of ground. She don't know why, but she had to try. She had to try. Dog and butterfly. Ooh, 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 ooh.